Yo, GoPro on! GoPro! Woo! Gotta catch up to these hot dogs.
Okay, where are we? Shouldn't it say where we are right now?
Like you are here?
Yeah.
I don't know, but why don't we just... Julian's already there. Either way, we're going down.
Jaybird or beggar?
Oh, baby! We may have to do a lot of hiking.
Yeah, no! Hard speed, we're going up there.
Let's go.
Next stop, Mount Everest.
Obstacles! Woo! What? Not that side, not that side. No, 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 no. Don't follow me. Cut this way. Go this way. There's actually you hear that explosion?
Yeah.
You know what they're doing? Avalanche control. Yes. Julian coming down the Black Diamond. Woo! You can do it. Just make your turns. Don't be scared. Make your turns. Turn. Turn. Point your skis down. Turn. Don't stop every turn. Keep going. Turn. That's it. Turn. You're doing great. Turn. Turn. Yeah, Julian. Nice. Black Diamond, boy. Take a little rest if you want. Woo! Nice. Awesome. Great. We're almost to the bottom. Good job. Nice. Beautiful. Let's stop up here. Let's take a rest. Stop right there. Good. Good place to stop. GoPro off. Woo! Mason! It was great.
Did you fall?
He didn't fall at all. I just helped him with the, you see, it's all groomed. If you look to the left, it's all groomed. But there's a small place to turn. Not that small. I think you can do it. But he.
Okay, I got shot down this. I got shot down this slope right here.
You got shot down that slope?
Yeah, like
That looks pretty cool. That's pretty steep.
Yeah. But
Yeah, Julian.
Wow, you didn't fall at all? No.
Not once.
Lucky.
What happened was he couldn't climb up. He couldn't get back up to her. And then he started slipping back. I'm like, we're gonna have to do it. That's it. Turn. Follow Julian. We're all gonna line. Turn. Follow me and then follow Julian. Turn. Turn. That's it, guys. Awesome. Good job, Mason. Watch it. Watch me go. Okay. Nice job of going under the rope. What do you say, Mason? You're looking pretty chill.
Yes. This is nice.
Oh, yeah. It's almost like spring skiing, but it's better because it's got a little, because it's not that warm. The snow is still great. And, but yet it's not too cold, not too warm. It's just, what do you think, Julie? Is this the best skiing you ever did in your life?
Yeah.
This is just the beginning. Adios.
Bye.
You okay? Not too fast. Control your speed. There you go. There comes Julian. Turn. Don't get too far over. Just turn here. Turn. 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 Okay. Let's get our speed under control. Turn now. Turn. Come on, Julian. Okay, let's turn. You're good, you're good. Get those skis together. Up. All right, you're all right, you're all right. Don't let them come off. Just stop. You're good. No. Whoa, don't come. You're good. Let me help, hold on. All right, I think you should consider getting some poles. You know, the no poles, the poles really gonna help you. You gotta learn. We need another lesson. Talk to your mom. You got to make the transition. All right. Listen. Hold on. Wait for me. You're good. It's hard to get up. So, you see how your skis are pointing up the hill a little bit? Point them more towards the trees, not uphill. Just a little bit down. Just a little bit. Okay. Now you can probably point them down a little bit. Now you can ski right out. Can you get up? There you go. Now just ski. As soon as you get going, make your turn. There you go. Come on, Julian, follow me. Yeah, you don't want to be doing that. You can't pizza slice. It's too steep. You got a hockey stop. Let's come over here. It's not as steep. Right over here. Turn. That's it. Nice job. Turn. Get those skis together, Julian. Good. Reach the pole out. Don't pull behind you. Pull in front of you. Yep. That's it. We're almost at the bottom. This is the easy part, Mason. Woo-hoo! There you go. He likes the bottom. Whoa! You alright? You ended up into the deep stuff. GoPro off. Let me help you. GoPro off. You guys are right on time.
Yeah.
To the minute. How'd you do that?
I don't know.
Hey, how's it going? You alright?
Yeah.
There's Julian. Woo! Right on time.
Yeah. So what should
You guys
we do?
having fun?
Yeah. Are you?
Terrible time actually.